Great location and clean. The place is quite nice and equipped. The room is similar as seen in the web. Staff is so helpful and friendly. My app is very quiet and clean. I will come back again next time in Singapore. Everything the best I have been so far. Highly recommend for everyone. Good choice. You have everything you need for the whole house. Excellent space to stay. The place is very central and near Tiong Bahru community. Very easy to find food and grocery. Staff is helpful and responded very fast. Very nice place to stay. Room is perfect. Position is perfect. 10 stars. Fall in love with this property while serving my SHN. Preps my 7 days meal day before check-in, and this suite got everything you need: knife, cutter, pots and pans, microwave, electric stove, fridge, etc. Washing machine. A very cozy bed too. As if you never leave home. Quiet environment, accessible, and all the best. Restaurant is just few minutes away. First thing I do after gotten release order is to eat around. Did I mention that the staff is super friendly and has got 101% response rate? Yes, they do. Cozy accom. We were here for an extended stay. Solid location as it is very near to Tiong Bahru market. What is of importance is the service. As this is a private accom with no reception, Nicholas got in touch with us via WhatsApp. He will frequently send us messages to check we are doing well in the apartment. In addition, he ensured our feedback were attended to immediately. For example, I requested for a softer pillow and it was delivered the next day. I noticed one of the window was leaking and reported immediately. The technician came over in 10 minutes and attended to the problem. Nicholas, thank you very much for attending to us. It was a really comfortable stay and I am sorry if I gave you too much trouble.